Alright, boys and girls, mostly boys if we're being honest, but anyway, so, Ian the cameraman here, and, Brandon asked me to film a video with him yesterday. Well, yeah, I know he likes to go for a drive before he films, and, he went out, sure enough, he went out for groceries today, so I left him a little something on the back of his car. Hopefully I can get him to put it right here once he figures it out, if he figures it out. He'll be home in about 10 minutes or so, and we're gonna film after that, but, I want to find out how his drive went. Oh, almost forgot. If you guys could leave a thumbs up and a comment down below, that would be great. That'd be a big help with our views lately, because of course YouTube has been suck-tubed lately, but screw them. Oh, he said it'd be 10 minutes, he was 2. Huh. Yeah. Alright, he doesn't know I'm filming anything. Okay. Oh, I can't wait to see how this went.
Dude,
so,
I had the freaking worst drive of my life, bro.
Oh really?
Some kid put this on the back of my car. I'm going around Pemina. I'm trying to freaking shop, or coming out from shopping, whatever the hell. Everyone's flipping me off. I'm like, what the? Like, I was yelling at people, bro. I had my window down. I was screaming at people the whole freaking way. Look at that.
Someone just put that in your windshield?
It was hilarious. I've never had that happen to me. That was so fun. I was so furious for a second.
That's hilarious.
My God. Can you get your phone?
Oh yeah, anytime, man. It's just.
Oh my. I was in shock, bro. Like, I've never been flipped off. I've been flipped off once or twice in the same drive. Like, I'm just driving like an idiot, man. Here.
Yeah, no, I think I'm gonna wait for the weekend.
It's the weekend. You already coming?
It's Wednesday.
You bargained already? By the way.
Oh yeah.
I shouldn't say, but it's Wednesday. Every day's a weekend, bro. This ain't work.
For you, I guess.
We're freaking nuts.
So why didn't you talk to her?
I got a girlfriend, bro. She was a goddess, though.
Yeah, no, that's okay.
Let's start on this video. Did you do an intro yet, or?
Yeah, I mean, this thing's been filming the whole time.
Yeah, like the whole conversation in there?
Well, yeah.
Okay. Boys, now you can pick it up. Let's go. Boys, back in action. We're back in the action. As you can see, we got Ian the cameraman here. Ian, you have no idea what we're filming. As always, I never tell you. I don't forget. It's just I like to surprise you with the shenanigans we have going. Boys, it's like a very small premise, but very big. You're gonna dig it. I'm gonna dig it. I also was just thinking right now. I just saw when I was in there. You wanna blow off a firework real quick? We gotta film this video somehow.
Firework? Oh, is that where you hide them from Sarah?
Yeah, I bought this for you boys on 4th of July. I was gonna shut this down, but my girlfriend saw it. I was like, thought you were at work, man. Let's go shoot off a firework, then we'll get into the video.
Man, are you just allowed to? That's a big sucker. Are you just allowed to shoot those off in the backyard?
I don't know. Probably not.
Hey.
My yard, bro.
You know your neighbor's a cop, right?
Nah, he still likes me.
Hey, does he though?
I don't know. I'm not too sure. The cleaning lady, man?
Yeah, she was in.
Yeah, it does look pretty clean in here.
Dude, how many random things are you gonna eat?
Oh, what? Shoot, sorry.
Nice one.
Not so clean anymore, huh? Alright, let's go.
And that is why we have to have a cleaning lady.
No. Sorry, boys.
What?
The neighbor's kids are outside. I don't want to freak them out.
Yeah, good call, yes.
Frick, I want to blow this thing off, bro.
How big is this thing anyway? Like, what does it do?
I don't know. I asked the guy. Sorry if this is a long video. This is just like, bro, I love vlogging with you guys sometimes when Ian's around. I asked the guy when we went to. He was like, I was like, okay, so if I'm blowing this off, like obviously inside, you're not allowed to do, like am I allowed to do it outside, like in my yard? And you could tell he's just kind of like read between the lines situation. He's like, yeah, I know it's illegal. I definitely wouldn't recommend it. And he just kind of starts pointing things out. This one's kind of smaller. And so I was like, am I catching what you're putting down? And he's like, I don't know, are you? I was like, we're about to no, I'm just kidding. But pretty much he like hooked it up with something that like wouldn't be that crazy in the backyard. Anyway, gonna blow it off in the park. I want to just get rid of this thing, man. My girlfriend loves chips. She's gonna find it sooner or later. Yeah,
that's actually not a good place to hide it at all.
Go to the park, blow it off.
Yeah, considering those chips you were eating were hers, oh man, you're gonna get in trouble for that. Never mind.
Hear about that one? I don't care.
And more chips. But okay.
All right, let's go.
You should put the firework in the empty chip bag and leave it there.
Quick track, boys, onto this video. I don't know, maybe we'll have like an intermission of the action video, then we'll just like do our shenanigans in between. I don't know how I'm gonna edit this.
Wait, actual video? What's the actual video?
You don't know yet. Alright boys, I took my own advice. We will do fireworks after. Let's get into the video. First off, this video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com. What do we think about it, Ian?
It's okay.
It's good. It's really good. It's really good. Link down below, boys. We got a mystery box on there for $24.99. Go click that link down below. Check out what's inside the mystery box. You're guaranteed to get more than what you paid for in the mystery box. You feel me? Yeah. $24.99. You're gonna get more money's worth. Also, one person's box is gonna include a PS5 or an Xbox Series X. I don't even own any of those yet. One of you guys is gonna get that. If you purchase down below, thank you. Ian, you down? You ready for this video? You don't even know what's going on.
Yeah, still don't know.
Got you in the hot seat, bro.
The tippy seat. The chair's fucked, man.
Yeah, sorry about that. It's the chair I throw.
Is there a chair you don't throw?
Nope. Alright, Ian, so remember the other day, this is the video's all about, bro. Remember the other day, I took a video of it. I'm gonna post it right here in a second, where I showed you Polo G's music for the first time. I was like, bro, if you want to check this out, I think you dig it. Cue the video. Ian's first time listening to Polo G. Actually, rap of that sort in general. How do you like it? Ian, how do you like it? How do you like it, bro?
Oh, it's good. I really like it, actually.
Yeah. That's sick, man.
Yeah, the song's awesome.
Yeah, no, I've been listening to him a lot lately.
Yeah? Sweet. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I bought this for myself, bro, but I'm down to show you new music. Keep in mind, you got a crazy music preference, you feel me? What does that mean, music preference? You like good music. Cheap Trick, name some bands, man.
Green Day?
Green Day, classic Green Day. Ian's got a great taste in music. I just thought he might like this guy. He's been starting to like some of the music I'm putting in my car sometimes. We listen to a lot of rap, and punk rock together and stuff. But I bought this, bro. I wanted to give it to you. It's a little starter kit. Bro, this is from...
Starter kit?
From Polo G.
From Polo G?
From Polo G. Like, not actually, like, I don't know. Here, I got a knife for you, bro. Like, I don't know him. I don't know him, but, like... It's like, I don't know, it's a little surprise package I gave. I'm gonna give to you, you know? Just to get you, I don't know, set up anyway. Short of the boys, bro.
Nice.
Short of the boys, bro. I don't know if you know what that is. It's a special package from Polo G. I want you in a box and it's yours. It's Hall of Fame. So I don't know if you know. Yeah, the new album, it's his new merch, you know? So I wanted to give that to you.
Man, I never buy merch.
Yeah, there's a little something special in there. I thought you'd dig. You're a little old school. Keep it on camera for the boys a little bit.
Okay. Yeah.
I assumed you were size large. I got you a size large. I got me a size large, but I'm gifting it to you. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh shit.
Yeah. I don't know if you dig it, but nice. I don't even know what the shirt looked like. So it says Capelide. It's Polo Capelide.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Hall of Fame. He's the GOAT. There's a GOAT on it.
The GOAT? Yeah, gotta have the GOAT.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought there was more in here, but...
It's kicking my... Well, there's the CD.
Yeah, you're a little old school. I know you like CDs.
You know what? My new laptop doesn't even have a disc player.
Oh, I'll buy you one of those. The special part is right there. I don't know if you care.
Oh no, I'm sure I'll find a way.
It's signed too, bro.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, right there up at the top.
Oh, I almost missed that. Like, it is.
Yeah. I don't know. I thought I'd get you a gift of...
No, this is great, bro.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah, this is sweet.
Sweet. Okay, cool. There's the video, boys. It's a surprise package to Ian from Polo G. I ain't trying to convert you or anything, but you seem to dig the dude, so I thought you'd probably like it more than me. And that signature, if you don't even want the CD, don't even open it, bro. Just sell it online and take my money.
Okay. Well,
I'm being serious.
I don't know about that,
just sell it. Anyway, you got all the tracks on there. I'm not sure if you can listen to all of those, but the box is what I'm stoked about. We got 20 on now.
20 tracks, not one of those 8-song bull.
Yeah. There we go, boys. Let's clip that clip of us shooting off fireworks, huh?
Yeah.
Sweet. Let's go. Actually, I do want to add, this is a sick auto. That's a really sick autograph.
Hey. Wait. Brand, come back. Brand, come back. Just good. Come on.
Here, shoes or what?
Yeah, I got my shoes. So we're just doing this in the park now?
Yeah.
Like, are you... Is it? I don't know. Is it okay? Like, what if there's kids?
Then we won't do it.
Okay. Like, you're sure this thing isn't like gonna just explode or something?
Not totally sure.
Hey.
Let's go.
Okay. Well, that's great.
Check in if you're worried about it. If there is kids, I'll come back. Cool.
Okay.
All right, bro.
Is it just me, or does he have a really weird running?
Kids, bro. We're doing it in the backyard.
Okay. He has the strangest running stride, I swear to God. I hope it shows up on camera. Man, he has been waiting for this all day. Holy!
Nice.
That was a lot.
Oh, worth it. Great.
Well,
Thanks for watching, boys. I think that's it. I think that's all we have to do.
yep. From now on, every video ends with fireworks, boys.